All right, today we're going to put a bug deflector on the 2012 Silverado. There it is. All the hardware we need. All right, we got everything out, checked our hardware, made sure we have everything. And I guess the only thing left is to put it on. Okay, we got it on. It was actually pretty easy. Doesn't look too bad. Also, I want to give you an update on the body shop work we had done. They did a pretty good job. If you remember from the foam cannon video. And there it is. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.